Did you know a man climbs 40-story buildings in complete darkness using only his bare hands? Alain Robert clings to glass and steel hundreds of feet above city streets with no ropes, no safety net, nothing. Just his fingertips gripping window ledges in total blackness. As a child, he was terrified of heights, couldn't even climb a tree without shaking. But instead of accepting his fear, he decided to face it head-on. Night after night, he practiced on smaller buildings, teaching his body to trust what his eyes couldn't see. He discovered something incredible. Darkness forces you to feel everything. Every crack in the concrete, every edge of steel becomes a part of your body. He's now climbed over 150 buildings worldwide, all in complete darkness. The man who once feared heights became the world's greatest urban climber. His secret? Darkness eliminates every distraction and forces total focus. Sometimes, your greatest fear becomes your greatest strength. You just have to be bold enough to face it.